This is a step-down transformer. A transformer is a passive device that converts the voltage level either from high to low or low to high. The transformer that converts the high voltage power to low voltage power is called a step-down transformer, and the one that converts low to high voltage is called a step-up transformer.
This is the actual size. To identify primary and secondary winding. Primary have higher resistance compared to the secondary winding. Voltage checking from secondary AC output voltage.
Working a transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. So, when there is a change in the current of one coil, an electric current is also induced in the other coil in its proximity. Every transformer consists of two coils or winding, primary and secondary. The primary winding is connected to the AC power source and the secondary to the load. When AC current is provided to the primary winding of the coil, a magnetic flux gets generated. Through the transformer core, the magnetic field completes its path. As the secondary winding comes in contact with this magnetic flux, an EMF is induced on it. The strength of the generated EMF depends on the number of turns in winding of the secondary coil.